Going on, guys? Today in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to target the US or the UK audience on TikTok if you're from an ineligible country. So first, you need a spare Android phone. So any Android phone works. As you can see here, I also have an Android phone. This is an old phone of mine. As long as it can run TikTok, and its purpose must solely be used for posting TikToks. So as you can see here, I only have two apps, the app that's running the proxy and TikTok. So next, you're going to want to need a static residential proxy. So you can purchase a static residential proxy on ProxyCheap for $3 a month. So as you can see here, this is the website where you can get the proxy from. So it's called proxycheap.com. And just sign up for an account and go ahead and click on static residential proxies. So after that, you're going to be taken to the checkout tab. You want to select static residential ISP and a dedicated plan. This dedicated plan is dedicated to a single user, has unlimited bandwidth and some other upgrades. So for the proxy location, you're going to want to choose United States or the UK. So as you can see, you just type United States or United Kingdom. And then for the ISP, you can choose whatever you want. I chose AT&T for mine. And for the time period is how long you want your proxy to be running for. So after you've ordered your proxy, you should go to your dashboard and it should look something like this. So this is your dashboard for ProxyCheap, and just head over to My Proxies and then make sure to change the protocol to SOCKS 5. And then these are the only things you need. So the username, password, IP address, and the port. So on your Android phone, the steps are you need to factory reset the spare phone and remove any SIM card. I've already done that on mine because this is what I use for my TikTok account. Then skip all the steps after resetting everything. So once the phone loads up, turn off the mobile data, location services, Bluetooth, and go to settings and turn off emergency location. So you search up emergency location here. So emergency SOS. Wait. Actually, no, here. Find my device is off. So make sure this is off. Once you're done, let's head over to step 5, which is set the time and location to US. And then turn on your Wi-Fi, connect to your internet. The weather app should show US. If not, just set it manually. And also, if the time changes to your local time, just change it again. So now you want to go over to Google Chrome, the browser, and download SocksDroid APK. So it should be the first one that pops up if you search it up here, SocksDroid APK. The first link should be good already. So once you've downloaded that, just head over to your SocksDroid app and then it should look something like this. What you need to do is just input the server IP you got from ProxyCheap, which is here, the server IP, and then the server port and the username and password you have in your authentication. So make sure this is checked as well. Once you're ready, just turn it on. Go to your settings and delete the Gmail's cache and data while having the proxy turned on. Then what you're gonna wanna do is make a new Gmail address and go download TikTok. One way to check if your proxy is properly turned on is go to whore.net, which is a website that tracks your location of your IP. Once you're here, you could see the country. It's United Kingdom for me because I have a UK proxy. So that's one way to check. And then also another way to confirm that your proxy is working is that when you set up a TikTok account, when you set up a Gmail account, your Play Store should have Play Pass and Play Points. So that means that your Gmail account is from the UK or the US. So next, finally, just head over to TikTok, make an account, and make sure your FYP is from US or UK. Also, another way to check if it's really UK or US account is go to account, TikTok Studio, and then head over to the monetization programs and check if you have the Creator Rewards program. So if you have Creator Rewards program, it means that you're ready to go. Warm your account up and start clipping for WAP.